is Sam from MSE TV Network. Just want to send out my condolence to the late Kobe Bryant and his beautiful daughter that lost their life in the helicopter crash, and not forgetting the other people as well that has been in that accident as well and lost their life as well. Let's not forget them. It's very unfortunate and so sad, and I could blog about it and all sorts about it, and that's not what it's about right now for me anyway. All I can say, he was a great role model for many countless people around the world. And he taught us all quite a few lessons about life. I must say, most of all, how to connect with your children, how to push your children in the right way and help them to try and fulfill their dream and their potential. It's so sad. I mean, I'm still numb. And the way that they died is horrible. One thing I will say is that I'm quite disturbed that they keep on showing the airplane going down out of control and everything. Can't you spare his family the graphic scenes, you know? And some people are just jumping on it and just keep on showing that all over the internet, and it saddens me, you know? But may God rest his soul, his daughter, and all the lives that was lost. We lost a lot. We lost a lot. More importantly, what have we learned from this? Live each day as your last. Be good to each other. And you know what? Stop being complacent with life. Stop complaining and try to live your life to the fullest, because you just don't know if it's going to be your last day on earth. I tell you. Anyway, people, take care. God bless. And I pray for everybody's protection and their family, that God keep you alive and keep you strong and well. On that note, I've got to go. It's just a quick little message. I just had to speak my mind. Take care. God bless.